I am very, very impressed with Anupama Chopra, Kiran Rao, Smriti Kiran. उन्होंने क्या किया है? The opening was absolutely beautiful. Gateway of India. It was just gorgeous. The films, the lineup of films, जो films दिखा रहे हैं, the filmmakers जो यहाँ हैं, ये सब जो चल रहा है, it's very, very impressive. It's very required. It's very needed. This city deserves it, and the city needs it. We need a space like this for cinema. So, I mean, I'll do whatever I can. Whenever they need me, I'm there. But I really want to thank them for making this happen. Okay, thank you. Thanks. Thank you.
Shut up. Not this one, this one.
Which director's work you've enjoyed
You
watching?
give me one question at one time. What did you say first?
The first question is, how do you look at the sudden change that we've been seeing in terms of content? Like, content-driven movies are coming
See,
up.
content क्या है? आज की तारीख में भी रीमेक बनती है, तो कंटेंट कोई चेंज तो नहीं हुआ. उस वक्त डॉन चली थी, आज के दिन में भी डॉन चलती है. तो आई एम रेडी टू एक्सेप्ट योर फैक्ट दैट एनी सिनेमा हैज गॉट टू बी एंटरटेनिंग. कोई बोरिंग सिनेमा हो तो नहीं चलेगा. अगर बोरिंग बनाना है तो आप फ्री में दिखाओ ना टेलीविजन में. आप एंटरटेनमेंट टैक्स देते हो. आज की तारीख में बहुत बड़ी रकम होती है फिल्म की टिकट. फिल्म की टिकट के बाद पॉपकॉर्न, कोका कोला, चाय, कॉफी वो भी लगता है. So there has to be some form of entertainment. Entertainment in our country is very important. But having said that, आज की तारीख में एक ऑडियंस और उभर के आ गई है. That is who are ready to take content-driven films. हट के फिल्में जिसे बोलते हैं. I'm not saying a word called art film. There's nothing called art film. मैं जो काम अगर डांस करता हूँ या मार पिटाई करता हूँ, that also requires art. So don't say those films are art. Our films are also art films. Those are films which are boring films. जो बहुत बोर करती हैं फिल्में, इसलिए लोग नहीं जाते उनके थिएटर में. उनको दिखानी चाहिए फ्री टेलीविजन में. आपको दिखाना है सिनेमा, आपको दिखाना दिल बहलाना है, तो आप बनाइए एंटरटेनिंग. हाँ, कभी फिल्में बहुत अच्छी होती हैं, कभी बहुत बुरी होती हैं, लेकिन उनका मकसद ये होता है कि हम पिक्चर बनाएं एंटरटेनिंग. सो कंटेंट विल ऑलवेज बी किंग. जब भी आप कंटेंट के साथ पिक्चर बनाएंगे, वो हमेशा अच्छा रहेगा. वो तो हमेशा चलेगा. अच्छा कंटेंट तो हमेशा चलता ही है.
The second question was that, when Ranbir entered the industry, he has achieved he has achieved a name for himself in the industry for quick success he has achieved.
He has not achieved quick success.
He has gone through his ups and downs, but he has made a mark for himself. Apart from Ranbir, which actors' work you enjoy, and directors, if you could name anyone that...
No, that's a very long question, my dear. You have to ask me generalized questions. Hanji. एक्टिंग करनी चाहिए. अरे एक्टिंग होती है और क्या करेगा वो यार. नहीं, अब ये बात दूसरी है. ये आपका प्रश्न सही है. जी, काम अच्छा मिलना ना मिलना वो तो आपकी तकदीर की बात है. लेकिन आपको जो आपका कर्तव्य है कि जो काम मिले वो तो आपको ढंग का करना पड़ेगा. मतलब जो आपको काम मिलता है वो तो आप अपनी नियत से वो ढंग का करिए, अब सही कीजिए. दैट इज व्हाट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट.
ऋषि सर,
हर आदमी, हर शख्स को has the right to express his opinion. They have expressed their opinion. I have nothing to say on that.
Rishi sir, in the 90s, an actor who made his debut with you today, a couple of days later, he will be celebrating his 50th birthday, is Shah Rukh Khan. If I had to ask you to go back into the past, what was your first reaction like when you saw him? How did you see him as an actor during the Divana days, if you could?
Well, he was always a very spirited boy, always a very joshed up actor. And he came from television, and I remember him telling me that, on his very first onset, he had the opportunity of working with 3 actors that he admired, and he got a chance to work with Nasir in a film, and Nana in one film, and me with one film. And I was very privileged that he took my name, and I said thank you to him. But as a youngster and as a first beginner in that film, he was very respectful, very very good to speak to. He was always full of energy. I remember those days, and I have a very funny anecdote which still take a long time, but I have mentioned that in my book. So please read it when that book should come out. Thank you.
Sir, any other anecdote which you would like to share?
All with that will be in the book. क्या है कि मैं एक्टिंग से फुर्सत नहीं निकल रही मुझे, और मेरा प्यार, मेरी पहली मोहब्बत एक्टिंग है. So I'm busy with acting and I'm enjoying and I'm loving doing this work. तो पहले मैं अपने आप को अच्छी तरह स्थापित कर दूं as a second time as a good character actor. फिर देखेंगे अगर जिंदगी रहेगी तो उसमें फिल्म डायरेक्ट भी करेंगे.
ऋषि जी, चॉक एंड डस्टर में भी हमने सुना आपका कैमियो है. अगर सही
हाँ
है
जी.
ये तो कुछ बताना चाहेंगे कि कैसा?
फिल्म जब आएगी तो तब देखिएगा. मैं उसके बारे में भी क्या कहूँ. अब जरा एक आखिरी क्वेश्चन हो जाए तो मैं जाऊँ. मुझे और एक और जगह जाना है प्लीज. जस्ट लास्ट क्वेश्चन. थैंक यू. आप बोलिए.
Mr. Kapoor, you just had a master class right now, some time back. Master class are usually held by people or actors maybe who have mastered the art of cinema or acting. If you had to actually sit through a master class and listen to someone who has mastered the craft of acting, who would that be?
You know, on the very onset, if you were there in that, did you hear me out?
Yes,
My
sir.
opening sentence was that I am no master to hold a class. In all humility, I'm just an actor. I'm just here to actually talk about my journey of over 4 decades, my anecdotes, my meeting, my people, reacting, interacting with people. So that was what was all about. I respect actors who are very good with their craft. I respect a lot of actors, and it will be very unfair to just name few of them. There are few actors who do some brilliant work. There are actors who do good work. So I respect all of that.
Thank you.
Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. I must take your leave now.
मेरी बात को अटेंशन मत देना. ए बाबा बाजू. इधर अड़वी बात करता है ना, मैं सीधा अड़वी बात करता
है. He was joking. He's just trying to promote his film. I'm nowhere close to even as good as her. Anything else? Yeah, I mean, he's gonna grill me and maybe I'll also grill him back.
it's not about movies we are talking about. So which is your favorite 3 movies this year? Because it's almost end of the year.
Yeah. The 3 movies this year. What are the 3 movies this year that are... You know, right now my brain is a bit fried because I've just taken a flight from Delhi, so I can't think. Tanu Manu 2, released this year, right? I thought it was brilliant. Also, I love watching Anand Sir's films. That's Gen Next, guys. And which other film released here? Name some. Badlapur, Piku, all of them. They're all great, brilliant films. Peace to you. Peace to you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.